Hola mga katropa, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Gusto ko lang magbigay ng konting kaalaman regarding sa Expanded Solo Parents Act. Itong batas na to is specifically for those considered solo parents. So, sino ba yung may kukonsideran na solo parent? Ang isang may kukonsiderang solo parent is kung ikaw ay solely responsible for the support or yung custody ng bata is nasa sayo, whether ito is anak mo o hindi. Ikaw ay considered na solo parent. Halimbawa, hindi mo anak pero ikaw ang legal guardian, you are considered a solo parent. Kung anak mo yan at ikaw yung talagang nagbibigay ng suporta at yung custody is nasa sayo, you are considered a solo parent. And if you are considered a solo parent, meron kasi yung mga benefits. But to avail of the benefits, it must be, we have to consider the age of the child. Dapat yung bata na inaaruga mo is at nasa 22 years old and below. So pag more than that, kahit na ikaw yung sole na nagsusupport doon sa bata, you are considered a solo parent but you cannot avail of the benefits. Now, kung more than 22 years old naman siya pero because of physical or mental condition, hindi siya makapagtrabaho and so on, at nasa custody mo siya, ikaw nagbibigay ng support, then you are considered a solo parent and can avail of the benefits. So ano ba yung mga ibang mga benefits dito? Unang-una rito is you are entitled to a solo parent leave na tinatawag. Ito yung 7 days na solo parent leave. And then meron ka ring discount for certain commodities na kailangan ng bata. Sa parito is merong pensyon na bibigay dapat nung LGU kung saan ka registered as a solo parent. That ranges from 500 to 1,000 depending on the class of the municipality. But we have to emphasize here dito mga katropa na kailangan kasing i-allocate ng LGU ninyo yan, yung pension na yan, para mabigyan kayo ng monthly pension na sinasabi doon sa batas. So, hindi po automatic yan. The LGU should allocate those funds. So, yun ang mga initial na benefits nyo under the law. And again, you have to consider yung age ng bata and yung condition niya para maging karapat-dapat ka or entitled doon sa mga benefits. So my advice to you mga katropa is, if you think you are qualified or if you think you are a solo parent, you approach your municipal or city social welfare office so that they can assess you, para mabigyan din kayo ng ID and yung booklet so that you can avail of the benefits. So yun lang mga katropa, and see you around.